Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to add highlights on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Facebook. Make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version, so you don't face any issues while following this tutorial. Once the app is updated, open the Facebook app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner. Here you will see the option called Add to Highlights. Simply tap on it and select the photo or video that you want to add to your Facebook highlights. You can choose multiple items if you want, and once you're done, confirm your selection. That's it! Your highlights will be added successfully. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.